Hello and welcome to my channel. This is How to Scholar. Okay, so it's been a while since I did a video. Okay, so it's just that there's some projects that actually kept me busy, so I haven't been able to upload any videos. But this is the start of new videos that will be coming in the future. Okay, so today we'll be looking at the ECZ web portal. Okay, let's just jump into it. Okay, so what we need to do is go on the self-service portal. If you want to check the results, okay, let me just slightly go back. So let me show you something. So if you want to request statement of results, you go on a result slip. So what we'll be doing with today is this one here, self-service portal. So let me just show you something. So if you want to request for results, you can pick which grade, then from there you get to pick. So the list is 2022. So from what I've noticed is whenever we move into a new year, the list year will be removed. So there's a possibility that maybe by the end of the year 2022 won't be available, to be ending up to 2023, as we can see here. That's as far as it can go. Okay, so you get select there, then there you enter the examination number, then you search, then it's going to bring up the statement of results where you're able to download. But then today we're not doing this. This is not the main target. Okay, so this is our main target. So now what we'll need to do here is just click on get started, or we can just click on login there. So the first stage to accessing this, you need to create an account. So let me just show you something. I don't know why it's actually taking longer. I think it's because it's something that I'm actually downloading, so it's kind of slow. Okay, let's just try and check if it's, or maybe if it's just the internet issue. Let's just try and pause this first and see how it's going to respond. Okay, let's just try and click again there, reload. Okay, so it's now loading for the login part. Oh no. Okay, I think it's gonna take me back. So what you need to do is you have to fill in your information. So say e.g. let's say John Doe. So this is just an example. Enter your mobile number. So it says 096 000. How many? I think 2 more. Should accept. Then there we have to enter email as well. John Doe at x y, oh no, xyz dot co or dot com dot co. Okay, then here you have to enter a password. So let's just say, okay, so that's just a random password. Okay, so from what I'm seeing, let's try and add the symbol there and numbers. So that green bar shows you that the password is actually strong enough to be used. Then you can just paste it there. So that's just an example of a password. So as you can see, at least, so it's got the requirements for a password. So we at least have to put one capital letter. Okay. So these are the requirements. So you need at least minimum 8 characters, at least one upper case letter, at least one special character. As you can see, so those are the requirements for setting up an account. Then you can just click on I agree to abide by, so forth. Then just click on create account. So that's the first stage. Now let's move to the second stage on how to go about accessing the portal. Okay, so since we already have an account, let's move to the next video now, where we're going to be signing into